Did you know that you can manually change gears even though your car has an automatic transmission? Let me explain. With Select Shift, not only can you easily shift gears, you don't have to worry about using a clutch either. Here's how it works. To use Select Shift, move your gear shift into S, or Sport mode. If your vehicle has the Select Shift controls on the steering wheel, you'll pull the right paddle to upshift, or the left paddle to downshift. If your controls are located on the shifter, you upshift by pressing the plus button on the gear shift lever, or downshift by pressing the minus button. Keep in mind, even though you are manually changing gears, Select Shift will automatically make some shifts for you if your engine speed is too high, or if your RPMs are too low. And once you've gone into Sport mode, your car will stay there until you shift back to Drive mode. Compared to a 4 or 5 speed, the 6-speed Select Shift transmission gives you greater acceleration from a dead stop in first and second gear, while higher gears give you better efficiency with lower RPMs at highway speeds. Any questions? Go to FordOwner.com.